This is for the beginners for SolidWorks. Once you open the software, this display will be shown in your monitor. So this is the start page for SolidWorks. Now, in order to start with our drawing, you need to select part. You need to create a part first before you can go to assembly, and then you can go to change it into a drawing. So let's select part first, click OK. Now the first thing you will notice, there are these menus and tools. So here are the rest of the toolbox. You can select the one blank part of the space, right click, and then you can set the tools you want to be displayed into this upper portion of the screen. So here is the property box where we need to use it later. The first thing you need to do is set the settings by you going to the options menu, click it. The options dialog, system option dialog box will be shown. On the document properties, you need to set the units. Typically, I will use the millimeter gram by seconds. It's a metric system, but you can also have the IPS system, or you can create your custom settings based on the units that you want to use. Click OK. Once you set it, you can also set the display, model display. Here you can see what colors you prefer. You can set the colors. We will leave it as it is first. So later we're going to change it. So this is the first settings that you have to set before you start drawing any parts. Display, you can also set it. There are a lot of things you can set here. Material properties, image quality. This one can go, you can set it higher, so the image will be much more clear. So the rest of the items, we'll leave it as it is first. As we go through, then we will show you how to use it one by one. Click OK. Now the first thing is, this is the displays or your worksheet, drawing worksheet. Now in SolidWorks, we are working on 3D files, so there will always be a z-axis, x, y, and z. So here we have the front plane. If you want to draw in the front plane, top plane, right plane, or origin. First, you need to select what plane you want to draw on. Hover over the top plane, click the left button of the mouse. Then this dialog will appear. Click the sketch, and then the plane will be normal to your screen. So you can start in your drawing. This is the origin point, which will be our reference to fully define all the shapes that will be drawn. Here you have the shapes and lines that you can use to draw your profile. Select line. We'll draw one line first. Click select OK. Select a circle. Spline, you can also draw a spline if you want. Create an arc. Either you want to set it center point, tangent, or 3-point arc. Click create a straight slot. You can see you can change the thickness and the radius. Click left again, right click, click select to escape out of the command. Now you can exercise to draw all these shapes as our profile. You need to create the profile first. As you can see, all these lines and shapes that we have drawn is in blue color. This means these shapes are not fully defined. In order for you to extrude or create these in 3D objects, you have to fully define all these objects first. So that is how you draw the profile first. You can create and connect everything. Later, I will show you how to fully define it in the next video. Thank you.